Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the flash while you are recording YouTube Shorts in the YouTube app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, you have to open the YouTube app and go to the plus icon, which is going to open up the YouTube creator, the Shorts creator tool. And here to turn on the flash, it's very easy. You just have to go to the top right corner of the screen, and it's going, if it's not showing right away, you just have to tap on this little arrow tool and the flash icon is going to appear. So you can turn on the flash like this very easily, and you can turn it off by tapping on it again. You can also record one part of the video without the flash, and when you stop, you can turn on the flash and record again with the flash on. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.